by all accounts, the lawyer that represented him at trial is a good lawyer. He was court appointed. He certainly in hindsight, he should have had his own DNA expert that hopefully would have caught this. But take that out. There were 6 eyewitnesses, and by the time they testified in front of the jury, the prosecutor has them so conditioned to make eye contact with the jury and to be completely sure that's the person, and has coached them how to be convincing to the jury. And of course, jurors tend to believe eyewitnesses anyway, even though it's probably one of the most unreliable forms of evidence.
It is. Yep.
And so Mr. Grant had an alibi. He had been with someone else almost the entire night, certainly during the stretch of time that this murder took place. And, they called his alibi witness, who was a credible witness, who said, I was with him all night, and no, he didn't murder anybody. This is what we did. This is where we went. But, what I have, discovered through this work is jurors never, ever believe alibi witnesses. They never believe alibi witnesses. In almost every exoneration case, or so many that I've, looked through the record on, there's been an alibi witness, because if you didn't do it, if you're actually innocent, what other defense have you got? I wasn't there. I don't know what happened. Here's where I was, and jurors never, ever believe it.
It's a really interesting point. We've had lots of wrongfully convicted people on open mic here, and I can remember a couple of clear-cut alibi cases where the jury did not believe it, and nobody surmised what you just did. That they just don't believe them. But that's really interesting to me, that you find that across the board, and I think you're right.